Hello dear students of class 9th. In the previous video of the chapter 7 packing, we learned about the writer and his two friends, George and Harris, right? How George and Harris are sitting aimlessly without doing anything, and Jerome showed his skill, told about his skill that I am better than you, I can do it well. And the way they hand over the entire work to him, right? Actually, he wanted to do the bossism. He thought that he would order both of them and they both will work according to my guidance, right? So he wanted to supervise everything. He wanted to be a superintendent, but he couldn't do that. He had to do everything himself, right? Even after knowing that something was going to be forgotten, they didn't even tell to Jerome about that, and Jerome had to take everything repeatedly out and put once again inside the bag. So it was a pity thing for him. He was so much tired of all these things, right? So whatever he thought, but it couldn't be happen, right? Due to his friends who did not do anything and just sat without doing anything, right? Okay, now up to here we completed, and last time in the first video they packed some almost everything, and only the I think something had been forgotten. Spectacles was inside, and he once again he took out. He forgot the toothbrush and everything. We just learned in the first video. They began in a light-hearted spirit, evidently intending to show me how to do it. Actually, light-hearted spirit meant bilkul shanti se. They started to do the work. They wanted to show me. They intended to show me how the work is done, right? How do they work differently from my work? They wanted to show this to Jerome. I made no comment. I only waited. I thought about waiting and watching. Let me see what is going on. With the exception of George, Harris is the worst packer in this world. अगर जॉर्ज को एक्सेप्शन में लिया जाए, उसको थोड़ी बहुत स्किल थी कि चलो पैक कैसे किया जाता है, बट हैरिस वॉज द वर्स्ट पेकर in this world. Harris was not at all perfect in his work, in the packing. And I looked at the piles of plates and cups and kettles and bottles and jars and pies and stoves and cakes and tomatoes, etc. Now everything was lying over there. Nothing was packed. And Jerome had to think about that, how they are packing all these things, and felt that the thing would soon become exciting. Now he thought of the excitement, that gradually it will happen, that it would not be packed properly, something will happen wrongly, something will be packed wrongly, and anything can be happen. So he was waiting for that. It did, and it happened. What happened? They started with breaking a cup. How did they start? They broke a cup, right? It was not a good start. It was not a good beginning because a cup was broken. That was the first thing they did. Means the beginning was only with the breaking of the cup. They did that just to show you what they could do and to get you interested, right? What they told, that something they did, whatever was, Whatever happened, that was special. Something was broken. So, to make a person interested, they started to do like that. Then Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it. What did he do? स्ट्रॉबेरी जैम था, उसको रख दिया टोमेटो के ऊपर, एंड इट वाज स्क्वैश्ड, इट वाज स्मैश्ड, पिचकू हो गया, एंड दे हैड टू पिक आउट द टोमेटो विथ अ टीस्पून. इतना पिचक गया कि उसको टीस्पून से निकालना पड़ा, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर स्ट्रॉबेरी जाम की बॉटल रख दी थी. एंड देन इट वाज George's turn, and he trod on the butter. Trod means step on. He put his leg on the packet of butter. I didn't say anything, but I came over and sat on the edge of the table and watched them. What did Jerome do? See, he sat on the table. और जो भी हो रहा था उसको वो इंटरेस्ट से देख रहा था कि let me see what they are doing. Now there was a funny thing that created among three friends in the work of packing. It irritated them more than anything. I could have said. I felt that it made them nervous and excited. Now, whatever they were doing, right? Trotting on the butter, breaking of the cup, squashing of the tomato, everything na, that made them very nervous and excited. And they stepped on things. सभी चीज़ों के ऊपर पाँव रखने लगे. Kept their legs on the things and put things behind them. तो जो आड़े आ रहा था सबको वो पीछे रखते जा रहे थे. And they packed the pies at the bottom. जो पाइज होता, आप लोग पाई खाते हो ना, पाइज जो थी, जो कि उसने बॉटम पे रख दी. एंड पुट हैवी थिंग्स ऑन टॉप, और उसके ऊपर हैवी थिंग्स पैक की. एंड स्मैश्ड द पाइज इन. जितनी भी पाइज थी पूरी की पूरी स्मैश हो गई, वो खाने लायक भी नहीं रही. दे अपसेट मीन्स अपवर्ड डाउन, मीन्स के उल्टा कर दिया. दे अपसेट सॉल्ट ओवर एवरीथिंग, सबके ऊपर सॉल्ट छिड़क दिया. एंड एज फॉर द बटर, आई नेवर सॉ two men do more with 1 and 2 pence worth of butter in my whole life. कि एक बटर के लिए, जो कि उस वक्त उसकी प्राइस 2 पेंस माने एक करेंसी, जो कि हमारे यहाँ पैसा है ना, वैसे पेंस. तो 2 पेंस का जो बटर था, उसके लिए 2 men जो थे, जो भी कर रहे थे, आई वॉज रियली वेरी मच eager to know what they are doing. After George had got it off his sleeper, they tried to put it in the kettle. स्लीपर माने जो पैक था, बटर का पैक, उसकी जो एक वो पूरी की पूरी जो स्लाइस जैसा बटर का पैकेट था. They tried to put it in the kettle. वो केटल के अंदर घुसाने की कोशिश की. It wouldn't go in. वो अंदर नहीं गया. And what was in wouldn't come out. जो अंदर गया वो बाहर नहीं निकला. That means they created a chaos. They did scrap it out at last and put it down in a chair. And Harris sat on it. कुछ भी करके अंदर जो था, शायद बटर का कोई स्क्रैप रह गया होगा, वो निकाल कर चेयर पे रखा. और चेयर पे जब रखा तब क्या हुआ? एंड हैरिस सेट ऑन इट. हैरिस उसके ऊपर बैठ गया, जो कि एक स्क्रैप रखा था बटर का, उसके ऊपर वो बैठ गया. एंड इट स्टक ऑन हिम. उसकी पैंट जो थी उसके ऊपर चिपक गया. एंड दे वेंट लुकिंग फॉर इट ऑल ओवर द रूम. जैसे हम कभी कभी मूवी में देखते हैं ना, कॉमेडी सीन्स, एंड वी आर लाफिंग एंड लाफिंग, राइट? So more and more we are laughing. So the same thing happened. The same humorous actions they did in this scene, right? तो स्क्रैप रखा चेयर पे, चेयर के ऊपर वो बैठ गया, उसकी पैंट पे वो बटर का पूरा स्क्रैप जो था वो लग गया. Now everything, and they were finding in the whole room, in the entire room they tried to find, but they found it nowhere. I'll take my oath. I put it down on that chair, said George. Oath means swear. I really swear wholeheartedly that मैंने वहीं पर रखा था चेयर पे. किसने कहा? जॉर्ज ने. Staring at the empty seat. वो स्टार करता रहा कि सीट एम्प्टी क्यों है. अभी तो उसने वहीं पर वो बाटर का जो स्लीपर था वो रखा था, वो स्क्रैप रखा था, अभी क्यों खाली है. I saw you do it myself not a minute ago, said Harris. Harris ने कहा, हाँ मैंने भी देखा तुमने रखा था. You just kept over there. Then they started uh, then they started round the room again looking for it. पूरे रूम में गोल गोल घूमने लगे उसको फाइंड करने के लिए. And then they met again in the center and stared at one another. Moving round and round, they once again met at the center and stared at one another. कुछ भी नहीं मिला. एक दूसरे के सामने ताक रहे कि क्यों नहीं मिला. Most extraordinary thing I ever heard of, said George. जो मैंने कभी कभी सुना था, कोई एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी थिंग होने को, आज ये हो गई. So mysterious, said Harris. कितना रहस्यमय. Harris ने कहा, Harris told it was very mysterious. Then George got round at the back of Harris and saw it. जॉर्ज हैरिस के आसपास घूमा. जब उसने उसका राउंड लगाया तो उसने देखा. Why, here it is all the time, he exclaimed indignantly. उसने जैसे कि एक फन के मूड में उसको एक्सक्लेम किया सरप्राइजिंगली कि ये तो यहाँ चिपका रहा ऑल द टाइम. Where? cried Harris, spinning around. वो गोल गोल घूमने लगा. कहाँ है करके वो गोल गोल घूमने लगा. Stand still, can't you? एकदम स्टिल माने कि स्थिर खड़े रहो, आप नहीं रह सकते हो. रॉड जॉर्ज फ्लाइंग आफ्टर हिम. उसके पीछे जोर से उसने जंप लगाया और बोला कि तुम जोर से स्पोक लाउडली, कांट यू स्टॉप. एंड दे गॉट इट ऑफ. उसको निकाल दिया. एंड पैक्ड इट इन द टी पॉट. वापस से टी पॉट में उसको पैक किया. Montmorency was in it at all. Montmorency is the dog of the writer. Now, Montmorency's ambition in life is to get in the way and be sworn at. Sworn at means to get scolded. हमेशा वो सबके काम में आड़े आता था और उसको he was scolded by them. If he can squirm in anywhere where he particularly is not wanted. Sorry. So, if he can squirm in anywhere very particularly is not wanted, जहाँ पर उसको नहीं होना था वहाँ पर अगर वो स्क्वायर माने बार बार often he went, then he would be often scolded and be a perfect nuisance. और एक nuisance बनने जा रहा था. And make people mad. इतना nuisance create कर रहा था कि made people mad. Just a minute. sorry, and have things thrown at his head. Then he feels his day has not been wasted. That means he was used to all these things. Things were thrown on his head, and then he used to go. If he was not scolded, and if the things were not thrown at him, his day was wasted. So he wanted this to get somebody to stumble over him and curse him steadily for an hour is his highest aim and object. And when he has succeeded in accomplishing this, his concept becomes quite unbearable. Concept means here pride on himself, right? जब तक उसको कोई डांट नहीं मिलती थी या फिर उसको कोई काम, किसी को सक्सेस जो हो रहा था उसकी सक्सेस को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करता था, तब तक उसका कोई काम कंप्लीट नहीं होता था. तो he was like a nuisance. I'm talking about the dog. Which dog? Montmorency, right? He came and sat down on things. वो चीजों के ऊपर बैठ गया. Just when they were wanted to be packed. जो कि अभी पैक करना था. And he labored under the fixed belief that whenever Harris or George reached out their hand for anything, it was his cold damp nose that they wanted. Now, what he thought कि जब हैरिस और जॉर्ज को कोई चीज नहीं मिलेगी, राइट, तब वो चीज शायद डॉग को मिल गई होती है और वो अपनी नोज लेकर, जो डैम्प नोज थी, कोल्ड डैम्प नोज, उसको लेकर उसको सूंघने जाता था. He put his leg into the jam and he worried the teaspoons. Just a minute. Sorry for the disturbance. And he worried the teaspoons. उसने जाम के अंदर अपना पाँव रख दिया एंड टीस्पून जो थी उसको डिस्टर्ब कर दिया, उसको यहाँ वहाँ फैला दिया. एंड ही प्रिटेंडेड दैट द लेमन्स वर रैट्स. उसने ऐसे प्रिटेंड किया, इसने शो किया कि लेमन्स वर रैट्स एंड गोट इनटू द हैम्पर एंड किल्ड. सॉरी, 3 of them. उसको लगा कि जैसे शो कर रहा था कि लेमन्स जो थे देवर रैट्स, तो उसको जैसे कि उसमें से 3 को तो जैसे उसने मार दिया जो हैम्पर से बाहर निकले हुए थे. बिफोर हैरिस कुड लैंड हिम विथ द फ्राइंग पैन. जब तक हैरिस अपने हाथ में फ्राइंग पैन लेकर उसको भगाया नहीं उसको, तब तक उसने ये सब शो शुरू रखा. Harris said, I encouraged him. I didn't encourage him. A dog like that doesn't want any encouragement. It's the natural, original sin that is born in him that makes him do things like that. ये उसका ओरिजिनल सीन है, उसका मूलभूत कार्य है, कर्म है जो कि उसको करना है, राइट. तो हैरिस ने कहा कि मैंने उसको इंकरेज नहीं किया, राइट. तो अपने आप से उसने ही किया, बिकॉज ही थॉट दैट द डॉग थॉट दैट इट वाज हिज नेचुरल ओरिजिनल डीड दैट ही हैड टू डू. द पैकिंग वाज डन एट 12:50 तक पैकिंग हो गया था. एंड हैरिस sat on the big hamper and said he hoped nothing would be found broken. उसने कहा कि मैंने जंप लगा के उसको बंद कर दिया है, शायद कुछ टूटा नहीं है. George said that if anything was broken, it was broken. जो भी अगर टूटा है तो टूटने दो. He was careless about that, which reflection seemed to comfort him. यानी कि रिफ्लेक्शन इधर मीन थॉट, कोई ऐसा थॉट था जो उसको कंफर्ट दे रहा था. He also said he was ready for bed because he wanted to go to bed. We were all ready for bed because packing was done and they were ready for bed. Harris was to sleep with us that night and we went upstairs. हैरिस को हमारे साथ ही सोना था, इसलिए हम सब ऊपर गए. We tossed 4 beds and Harris had to sleep with me, he said. Right? They tossed माने उछालना, जैसे कि सिक्का उछाल कर हम बोलते हैं ना कि अगर ये साइड आई तो ये करना है, वो साइड आई तो वो करना है. तो they tossed and decided for beds. तो हैरिस को जॉर्ज के साथ, हैरिस को राइटर के नरेटर के साथ ही सोना था. Do you prefer that inside, the inside or the outside? J means Jerome. Jerome से पूछ रहा है कि तुम्हें अंदर सोना अच्छा लगेगा या बाहर की साइड पे. I said I generally prefer to sleep inside a bed. मुझे बेड के inside सोना अच्छा लगता है. Harris said it was odd. Odd माने strange. उसको strange लगा. George said, what time shall I wake you, fellows? मैं कब उठाऊं सबको, कब जागना है? Harris said 7. I said no, 6, because I wanted to write some letters. He wanted to get up early, wake up early, because he had some work with the letters. Harris and I had a bit of a row over it, but at last split the difference. That means Harris and I had a bit row. Here means row means a bit, row means little bit agreed or not. But at last split means उसको हाफ ऑफ कर दिया. हाफ ऑफ करके 6 के 7 के बीच का 6:30 का टाइम रख दिया. Wake us at 6:30, George, we said. हमें 6:30 उठा देना, हमने कहा जॉर्ज से. George made no answer and we found, क्योंकि he made no answer because he had already slept, and we found on going over that he had been asleep for some time. So we placed the bath where he could tumble into it. हमने उसका जो उतरने की जगह थी वहां पर एक टब रख दिया जिसपे वो सीधा गिरे पानी में. On getting out in the morning and went to bed ourselves. और हम सब मीन्स के उन लोगों ने फनी थिंग्स की, सोते सोते उन लोगों ने शरारत की और जॉर्ज के लिए वहां पर एक टब रख दिया जैसे कि वो जब भी जागे तो नींद में से वो सीधा उसमें गिरे. So this was the funny thing they wanted to do and they went to bed. So here is the story of Jerome and his 2 friends. Humorous and funny. We really enjoyed it. Now at last they had a packing done and they slept for to wake up for another day. Now this was the story of Jerome K. Jerome. It was taken from 3 Men in a Boat. Okay students, if any disturbance is there, please, I am really sorry, and just read it properly so that you can also understand what I wanted to explain. Okay, thank you students.